Omnissa Connect is a common platform service and experience designed to create more meaningful connections within the Omnissa platform. At the heart of Omnissa Connect, admins have a single platform-based identity enabling simplified access to products through single sign-on. This provides a unified entry point to all Omnissa services and solutions, significantly reducing the complexity of managing multiple logins and role-based access controls. In this organization, you can see many Omnissa services. Clicking on Intelligence, Horizon, and UEM, for example, will open these console experiences and sign the admin in with their Omnissa identity and the appropriate roles assigned within Omnissa Connect. As you can see, this provides streamlined access to all Omnissa services and tools. Back in Omnissa Connect, you can see support requests in the Overview page to quickly check the status of recent tickets. This is another place where Omnissa Connect takes advantage of single sign-on. Customers also have SSO access to other Omnissa resources, such as Omnissa Tech Zone, Omnissa Communities, and the Omnissa Marketplace. The Discover More tab shows what services customers are currently subscribed to, along with additional services to check out. Omnissa Connect provides streamlined role-based access controls so that customers can easily manage users and groups by assigning them appropriate roles across Omnissa products and services, including Intelligence, Access, UEM, and Horizon. For example, a customer can take an administrator and assign them an auditor-only role in Intelligence, give them an administrator role in Horizon, and not give them any access to any other services. Omnissa Connect supports self-service enterprise federation so that customers can use their own identity providers. Once configured, admins can be invited and use their own corporate credentials to access Omnissa Connect. This gives full control for our customers to configure who can access different systems using their corporate standards. This also works with groups to further simplify management. Omnissa Connect can support customers with multiple environments using the concept of organizations. Customers often use this to separate a production environment from a UAT or developer sandbox environment. Omnissa Connect makes it easy to switch between organizations and environments. You can also apply custom branding to further differentiate them visually. Omnissa Connect, already the standard for new customers, is being rolled out to remaining customers. Omnissa Connect provides simplified administrative management through consolidated single sign-on and role-based access control. It also enables granular access to platform services like Intelligence, enhancing security while providing a unified admin experience. Finally, Omnissa Connect facilitates newer technologies like our upcoming Omni AI assistant. This is Omnissa Connect, providing a smart, seamless, and secure experience for admins of all types.